Hey guys, I'm Chinez and you're welcome to Chinez Studio. I'm a mobile developer in the tech space and have been craving to start creating tech content for quite a while ago. So I'm really glad to finally start now and you're all welcome to my channel. Basically, my channel would be centered around AI, specifically in the multimodal AI production niche. I would also talk about coding and general tech tips, but occasionally I might talk about other interesting stuff as well. I did a research into the Nigerian tech content creation space and realized that majority of Nigerian tech content creators don't cover AI specific niche enough. So that would that would be what I would cover majorly. Because I'm trying to change the narrative. Because I've met a lot of people around me um and whenever I tell them like about new tools that I use to upgrade my productivity, they would find them new and confusing. And some of them don't even try to look into it. So um, I would like to cover a lot of those tools, yeah, to better enhance people's productivity. So whether you're a techie or not, you're going to find most of the AI tools I cover useful for your productivity. I've loved content creation since my early college days, watching tech giants like MKBHD and Fisher Fossido. Originally, the plan wasn't to start now, but to work in the corporate for a while, then be able to get those interesting gears and make those interesting day in the live videos like folks at Microsoft and Meta do. But 2025 was an eye opener, and that was where the plan failed. I won't bore you the struggles of 2015 to 2024, but at Q2 2025, I got fired just less than 3 weeks after joining startup. And between March and September, I worked as a CTO at the Nigerian startup and wasn't even paid a dime for all my efforts. Then at Q4 2025, I I was interviewing for a particular role at a fintech startup in Abuja, and um, and while I was on the interview, I was answering the questions. So and suddenly, the HR was like, "Do you have a lead in this firm? Do you have a sort of connection in this firm?" Well, that was a very shocking question for me because I've never seen that in my life. But I just knew right then that I was not going to get that job because it just means that if I don't have connection in that firm, no matter how good I am in what I do, I can't get the job. And right from that point, that was right there when I realized, dude, I'll have to go all in into content creation because um in that point I just felt like in Nigerian space, I just felt like I'm an infinity stone where you can just like join into a company and you can go zapped away at any time. So I was like, I'm going to take this responsibility in my own hands. I'm going to build my own tech brand into myself from scratch, and that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, that's what bets Chinez Studio. So based on my terrible experience with the Nigerian corporate space, my priority with Chinez Studio is to build a global brand that anyone around the world can find interesting. So I'm not prioritizing making localized content. I can't really give a definitive number of my making of content frequency, but I will definitely try to make at least one comprehensive video every month, and I will try to at least upload videos once or twice a week. Considering the fact that I'm still new in the content creation space, and I also build apps on the side, so over time I would definitely understand what frequency works best for me and um, make my videos around that. My goal is simple: to help you gain insightful concepts, especially around topics that we already talked about. If you enjoyed this intro, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all and see you in the next one.